Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to manage your vehicle profiles in AUTODOC app. So let's get started with the video. So first, in order to add a new vehicle, what you need to do is click on the orange icon that you will see at the upper side. Here you will get a plus icon saying add a vehicle over here. You can add your vehicle. You can either choose from here, as well as you can also add car by registration number. You can enter your registration number here, or you can choose any of the car, the personal car which basically you have and you want to register on AUTODOC over here. For example, I have selected this. The next thing is switching between the vehicles. So how basically you can switch between the vehicles. Here you can see I have added two vehicles over here. So in order to switch it, you just need to click on that particular vehicle. For example, I chose the second one. So the second vehicle has been selected. So basically this is how you can manage your car or vehicle profiles in AUTODOC app. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.